Hey guys, myself Fan and welcome back to my YouTube channel techfierce. So for today's video, we will discuss on how we can start our own business using software development. So if you have ever wondered about whether we can start our own business using software development, then the answer is yes. In fact, you can build an income that will make you passive earnings. Many people have started their own business and passive income setups using their entrepreneurs and technical skills. If you are just a technical person and have no idea how to start your business, don't worry, I'll be discussing all the things you need in order to make a business successful. So first things, a great business starts with a great idea. No matter if you are aiming for a small scale or large scale business, if you have a great idea, then you can make wonders. Many of you may know this, but you are just stuck in finding that one idea that can drive you to work and make it successful. It's not that hard to find an idea as you think. You may have come across tons of ideas but have never noticed them. You have to change the way you look at things for which have a look around your lifestyle and people around you, and you will find the problems faced by the society. It may take time to find an idea for the business. Keep yourself calm and try observing things as much as you can. This will change the way you look at the world. You would be the person who tends to bring a change in society. So second thing, you need to come up either with a product or service. So once you have come up with the idea, you can now choose whether to come up with a product or service for your idea. Here by product, what I mean is a service that you create and deploy at once, which can then serve society. And service refers to pay and go, where people approach you for the services you offer and in turn you provide them with necessary help. So then we need to list out the requirements. Now it's time to list out the requirements for your business setup. It can both be technical or non-technical requirements. Based on your idea, your business tends to have these requirements. Like for example, if you are building product that helps people to purchase goods online, like for an example an e-commerce store, then you probably need a website, store, delivery person, etc. Now these are just the basic requirements which I have mentioned, just so that you get an idea. Make sure you figure out as many requirements as possible according to your business needs. Then after you get your requirements to list ready, it's time to set up your finance for your business. This includes the cost estimation for your assets and human resources. It's really hard to start a business if you have not set your financial goals. Your business may cost much more than you expected, and you may suffer in satisfying customer needs. So it's really very important that you set up the finance for your business. Then after that, make a list of people you require for your business, basically getting your team ready. So come up with a small team but which has an adequate number of people who can serve quality. As your business grows, you can add up more people to your team. Divide them into sub teams to work on a specific task. By this, your team can be more reliable. Some tools you can use to manage your team are Microsoft Teams, Asana, then we have Trello, Slack, Toggle. These are some of the tools that may help you efficiently manage your team. Try to choose the best one according to your business protocols. So after that, you set up the tech stack. So if you are reading this article, then you probably are keen to set up a tech business or service, and the first thing is to choose the best technical stack for your business. So tech stack is basically all the technologies you will be using in your business that requires strong programming skills. And then we need to create a blueprint. Blueprint is the key aspect of your business. It describes everything about your business with just a short overview and helps anyone to catch hold of its purpose. Create a blueprint about your business goals, needs, requirements, finance, team distribution, etc. In short, everything to know about your business. It even helps you to figure out things easily and scale your business. Then after that, you set your goals and time period to build your business. It's really important to set goals and time periods for the product or service that you are building. By doing so, you set up targets and deadlines for the completion of tasks. It also helps to know the time required to build your product and manage your time accordingly. Then get your target audience. By that, now that you have come up with your product or service, It's time to showcase it to the society, and the right way to do this is to target a particular set of audience using supply and demand principle, wherein you get the list of people who are having the same problem which your product is intended to solve. If you don't know much about this principle, you can simply Google this out, and there are tons of articles on this. This is a digital era wherein you need not to go to every individual's house in order to market your product. Instead, use strategies like email marketing, social media, content marketing, blogs, YouTube, Google ads, etc. will help you reach your audience much faster. Use freebies. Come up with freebies with new customers to grab their attention. It's very important to build a network of an audience who trust services, so make sure you provide valuable service and individual care to all your customers. Build strong audience and CRM. As talked earlier, you must focus on building a strong relationship with your audience, which is commonly known as CRM, representing customer relationship management. Have interactions with your audience, share your insights, share your work insights especially, and make your customers know how valuable they are to your business. Keep updating content on social media, where most people spend their free time. So finally, to conclude with this topic, you will go through many ups and downs while setting up your business. You will get negative thoughts about the business growth, but trust me, it's about the experience and you gain at the end, which is what matters. Trust yourself and just work on the strategy you have planned and set protocols to achieve them. Give it some time, be consistent, and have some patience. You will definitely succeed. And that's it for today, guys. All the best and happy coding. Thank you.